Are you ready for a change? Are you ready to do some different things? Are you just sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you ready for that next phase of your life? The phase of life where you're financially stable, you have some good things happening, you've turned the corner, and things will start looking up. Are you ready for that phase of your life? If you are, if you've answered yes to the question that I have presented, then it is time. It is time for you and I to work together to get you to that place. My name is Dr. Walter Sims. I am a spiritual mental toughness coach, and I help people find their purpose. I help people deal with stress. I help people deal with anger management. I help people deal with fear. I help hold people accountable. You need somebody in your life that's going to help you develop a plan and stick to that plan. My attitude is, if you keep doing the same things but expect different results, then that's a form of insanity. Is that all right? But you're not insane. You're not crazy. You are a good person. And all you need is somebody that's going to help you take you from here to here. And that's what I do. Again, my name is Dr. Walter Sims, and my number is 205-225-9757. And I'm here to help you.